Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome to Recipe Reveals. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of the magical journey of Napa Cabbage kimchi. From the lush green fields where the cabbage is grown to the tantalizing, tangy, and spicy flavor that graces your dining table. To obtain fresh, nutritious Napa cabbages, we have chosen large, meticulously cared-for gardens. Here, the cabbages enjoy ideal growing conditions, abundant sunlight, fertile soil, and a scientific cultivation process. As a result, each cabbage develops optimally, delivering the perfect flavor and texture for our kimchi. After 2 months of careful cultivation, the day to harvest the Napa cabbages has finally arrived. In the expansive fields, diligent farmers are busy at work, gathering the lush, vibrant green cabbages that have flourished under their watchful eyes. Each cabbage is a sight to behold, grown to perfection with leaves that ripple with health and vitality. As they walk through the rows of cabbages, the farmers selectively cut the finest parts of each plant. These prime cuts are then gently placed into crates, ensuring that the tender leaves are not bruised or damaged during the process. The air is filled with a sense of accomplishment as each basket fills up, ready to be loaded onto the waiting trucks. The freshly harvested Napa cabbage is quickly transported to the factory to begin the processing stage. First, the wilted, lower-quality outer leaves are meticulously removed, leaving only the perfect cabbage heads. Then, each cabbage is halved by an automatic cutting machine, ensuring uniformity and speeding up the processing. Next, the cabbage undergoes a refreshing bath in a modern automated washing system, thoroughly removing any remaining dirt and impurities. After being thoroughly cleaned, the cabbage is placed into giant salting vats. Pure sea salt is evenly sprinkled onto each layer of cabbage, softening the leaves and creating the ideal conditions for the magical fermentation process. This stage lasts from 2 to 4 hours, depending on the temperature and thickness of the cabbage. While the cabbage is relaxing in the salt bath, culinary artisans begin preparing the ingredients that give kimchi its soul. Garlic, ginger, Korean chili powder, green onions, and radish, all carefully selected, cleaned, and finely chopped. These ingredients are then mixed together to create a rich seasoning blend that imparts the signature flavor of Korean kimchi. After the cabbage has been salted for the appropriate amount of time, it is rinsed again with clean water to remove excess salt. Then, workers cut off any remaining excess parts to ensure the best quality ingredients before proceeding to the seasoning stage. Now comes the seasoning step. This is the most crucial stage, determining the unique flavor of kimchi. At the factory, skilled workers use their deft hands to gently apply the seasoning mixture to each layer of cabbage. Every leaf is coated with a rich layer of seasoning, ensuring the flavors penetrate deeply into every part. This step is what creates the irresistible, rich taste and the appealing color of kimchi. Once the cabbage is dressed in its delicious seasoning, the kimchi is moved to the packaging area. Each jar or plastic bag filled with kimchi is sealed tightly, eliminating excess air to create the perfect environment for freshness. After packaging, the kimchi is immediately distributed to supermarkets, where it will soon make its way to the dining tables of millions of families, delivering the rich and authentic taste of traditional Korean cuisine. So, we've explored the entire journey of Napa Cabbage kimchi production, from the vast cabbage fields to the delicious kimchi that ends up on your dining table. Thank you for joining Recipe Reveals today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on more exciting culinary adventures. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.